That's a big box, too. I didn't realize it was going to be that big. What did it say?
Groom box.
Uh-oh.
Groom. A male to whom someone is engaged to be married. Favorite, weirdo, and endless sleepover partner. Oh, sleepover partner, I'm sorry. The reason for his future partner, smile, laughter, happy days, good nights, and best decisions.
What's that?
To the future husband, a reminder that I cherish every moment with you.
But cut that light down a little bit because it's shining too much. No, the light. Yeah. Just down a little bit.
That's good.
A little bit more. All right. And if you want, you can cut that one on.
All right, we turn it off.
Huh?
We turn it off.
Yeah, you can turn it off if you want, yeah. Yep, we good, yep.
Boyfriend, fiance, groom, husband. I like that.
Turn around and see.
That's nice. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Mm-hmm. That's what's up. I like that. That's neat. I like that. That's sweet. Groom hat. Yay. Okay. All right. Oh, the USB cable. Okay. All right.
Okay.
What's it talking about? The shiny shoes or something?
That's what it say?
Quick rescue shoe clean wipes. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Just in case you spill something on there. Okay. Look like a speaker or something? Oh, okay.
Oh, dang, your box better than mine.
No speaker? Okay.
Okay.
That's what it is, right? Yeah.
If it look like what it say, I don't know what it is. Okay. I'm mad with you. How did Groom get all this stuff?
No speaker. Okay. What did
it say?
To the future husband, a reminder to enjoy all little moments. Stainless steel mug. Okay.
Okay.
I like this. It's great. Okay.
Oh, I thought that was on the cup. That's on the package.
Yeah, it's on the package.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I can. I use the Cricut. I can write on there. Groom.
I be getting them little things too in my
Okay, congratulations. Welcome to the fiance life. Okay, I read that. It's straight. I like this though. To the future husband, a reminder to never lose your sense of adventure. Oh, the travel bag.
Oh, the travel bag?
Yeah, travel bag. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Go travel
Oh,
bag.
okay. Let me turn around and see it. It say wash me.
I put like my dirty stuff in it.
Yeah.
That's neat. I like that. Nice little box right there. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, a couple more things here. To the future husband, a reminder that little planning goes a long way. You like some socks or something. Okay, a pair of socks or whatever.
Is it Groom socks?
Yeah, it's wedding planning. It's wedding planning o'clock.
Oh.
Okay. Then they got the little clock on here. That's neat. I like that. That's the last thing right here.
That's the last thing?
Yeah.
So you got a whole lot of stuff.
Husband, protective, barbecue hero. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Barbecue or something. That's what's up. I like that.
You open up this one too. That's the last thing in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see. This one probably for me. They probably put yours in the box.
Oh, that came in the box here?
No, this probably I ordered this for me. But I thought it was. I knew we had an apron, but I knew they probably put yours in the box. Cause I ordered that separate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, open my eyes for me. See what it say.
This same thing.
Oh wow! I thought it put to say wife or something.
Right.
So if I knew that, I wouldn't even order two of them. Well, at least you got two.
That's all right. One for you. One for you, babe.
Okay.
We can barbecue together.
Okay.
And that's something that we will do together. All right.
Okay. You want to open up this?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, that's something we will do together, bro. As husband and wife.
When we get our house.
Yeah, I mean, I think I wait till we get our house. I mean, in case we go somewhere like a camp, man, or something.
Your hands clean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, girl.
Okay.
Ow.
Okay. That baby gonna look good. This motherfucker back all out too.
Oh, wow. Turn it around. Okay. What kind of baby suit is that?
A nice one. A nice one for my baby.
You like good gifts, babe?
Yeah, I like it, babe. I like it. Thank you, babe. I like this. It's nice. I like that.
So now, don't ever say you ain't get even though it's not
a green
Groom box.
Yeah, I like it. Thank you.